Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you edit your shipping address into Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application. And after opening the Bitget application, just simply tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap there, and after that select your profile. Now, after selecting your profile, you just simply have to tap into this shipping address button. Just simply tap there, and then you will get to see this option of recipient and shipping address. Now, you will directly get this option of edit, tap into that, and after tapping into that, you will get this section of shipping address. Just simply erase your current shipping address which you have added into here and enter a new shipping address. For example, I'm entering US, and after that tap to save button, and this way you can very easily change your shipping address into Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.